Today we're going to look at elimination by multiplying one equation by a number in order to get the coefficients of two variables to be the same. Let's take a look at the following two equations. In the first equation we notice 2x and x have different coefficients. We also notice that 5y and 3y have different coefficients. In order to get them to be the same, we have to multiply the bottom equation by something so that we can make the 2x a 2x in the bottom equation. So we multiply the bottom equation by 2, we get the following. I recommend always rewriting both equations. That prevents you from making any mistakes. So now we're going to solve this by elimination like we did in the previous sections. In this case, since we have 2x and 2x, we're going to subtract the two equations. When we do that, 2x minus 2x is 0, 5y minus 6y is 1y, and 10 minus 16 is negative 6. Excuse me, that's negative. So we have negative y equals negative 6. Now divide both sides by negative 1. We get y equals positive 6. Now we have to substitute back into one of the two original equations. Making sure you remember, we have to substitute back into the original equation. So I'm going to choose the x plus 3y equals 8. When we substitute y in for that, we get x plus 3 times 6 equals 8. Then we have x plus 18 equals 8. Subtracting 18 from both sides, we get x equals negative 10. So our intersection point is negative 10, comma 6. Please pause the video and copy this into your notes. Okay, now it's your turn. Look at the systems of equations above. Please pause the video and find the intersection point. Here's the solution. As you can see, we multiplied the top equation by negative 2. We got negative 6x plus negative 4 equals negative 10. Then we added the two equations with 3y equals negative 6. Dividing by 3, we got y equals negative 2. Then we substituted back into 3x plus 2y equals 5. By solving that equation, we get 3x equals 9, which gives us x equals 3, and an intersection point of 3, negative 2. Please pause the video and copy this into your notes. Here's another set for you to try. 5x plus 4y equals 3, and 3x minus 2y equals 4. Please pause the video and find the intersection point. Here's the solution. As you can see, we multiplied the bottom equation by positive 2. That enables us to change the bottom equation to 6x minus 4y equals 8, thus giving us a positive 4y and a negative 4y, such that when we add, we get 0. 5x plus 6x is 11x, 3 plus 8 is 11. Divide by 11 and we get x equals 1. Then we need to substitute back into one of the two equations. When we substitute back into the bottom equation, we get 3 times 1 minus 2y equals 4, and solve that, and we get y equals negative 1/2. So the intersection point is at x equals 1, y equals negative 1/2. Please pause the video and copy this into your notes.